How to switch cue point in Djay. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the top, you can see this yellow like icon. Simply tap on this yellow like icon. And here on the bottom, you'll be able to see settings. Tap on settings. Now, we're in this settings interface. So this is the place where you can make different customization and choose different option. Here, tap on general. So here, there's a section called cue point. Here you'll be able to see a drop down button too. Simply tap on this drop down button. So these are the different options that are available. Now you can simply select the one that you want to change into. So here I'm tapping on one, and as you can see, it has been selected and you're all done. So if you go back, it will be selected and there will be a shift or jump in the cue points. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.